Let us discuss AWS availability zones. So AWS availability zones, the requirement is whenever AWS maintains the different resources that are available through the data center, it uses the uh, regions and availability zone. Regions are the geographical locations and availability zones are the distinct location within the AWS region. Each region consists of many availability zones. So let's say region 1, we are having availability zone A, B and C. Similarly region 2 having different availability zone A, B and C. So availability zone can be let's say for example the region is Asia Pacific Mumbai. So the name is AP-South-1. The different availability zone associated with Asia Pacific Mumbai or AP-South-1 are AP-South-1A, AP-South-1B, AP-South-1C. So what is the requirement of availability zone? So basically the availability zones are required for duplication of data. That means whenever we are storing data, it creates the backup or duplicate it. So if accidentally any of the data gets erased or deleted from any of the availability zone, the same thing can be restored from other availability zone. So that means we can say it secure our data, secure our resources, secure our usage or informations whenever any disaster takes place or any failure takes place in one availability zone. So that's why multiple availability zones are used under a region to avoid any type of accidental or disaster.